Today, I'm going to show you how to fold an incredibly easy paper airplane that flies amazingly well. And the best part is you only need one sheet of standard 8.5 by 11-inch paper. This design is beginner friendly, takes only a couple of minutes to make, and delivers smooth, stable flights. So grab your paper, make sure your folds are nice and sharp, and let's get started. First, place your paper on a flat surface in portrait orientation. Fold it in half lengthwise, matching the long edges as accurately as possible. Run your finger firmly along the fold to create a sharp center crease. A clean center crease is important because it helps keep the airplane balanced. Once you've made the crease, unfold the paper completely. Now take the top edge of the paper and fold it downward. Leave just a little more than 1 inch of paper at the bottom. Make sure this fold is straight from one side to the other before pressing it down firmly. Accuracy at this stage will help every fold that follows. Open that fold back up. You should now see the crease you just created. Bring the top edge down again, but this time fold it exactly to that crease line. Press the fold firmly from one side to the other. Then repeat the process one more time, folding the paper downward again. These layered folds create a stronger nose section, giving the airplane extra weight in the front for better flight performance. Next, bring the upper left corner diagonally toward the center crease, creating a clean triangle. Repeat the same fold with the upper right corner so both sides meet neatly in the middle. Take your time to make both sides as symmetrical as possible because even small differences can affect how the airplane flies. Now unfold both of those corner folds. You'll notice new diagonal crease lines on each side. Using those creases as guides, fold each side inward again, this time following the new crease lines more closely. Press each fold firmly to lock the shape into place. At this point, you'll notice a small pocket forming near the center of the airplane. Carefully tuck the folded layers into that center pocket. This locks the structure together and prevents the folds from opening during flight. Once both sides are tucked in, gently flatten the model so everything sits evenly. Now fold the entire airplane in half along the original center crease. Hold the folds together and make sure both sides line up perfectly. A symmetrical airplane will always fly better than one that's uneven. Next, it's time to make the wings. Starting from the top edge, fold one side downward to create the first wing. Keep the folds straight and make sure the wing is even from front to back. Flip the airplane over and repeat the exact same fold on the opposite side. Try to match the first wing as closely as possible so both wings are identical. Open the wings carefully and check that they sit level with each other. If one wing is slightly higher or lower, make small adjustments until both sides look balanced. These tiny adjustments can make a big difference in the way the airplane glides. Before you throw it, hold the airplane gently near the center instead of squeezing it tightly. Aim slightly upward and give it a smooth, controlled throw. There's no need to throw it as hard as you can. A gentle, steady launch usually produces the longest and smoothest flights. If your airplane dives toward the ground, gently bend the back edges of both wings upward just a tiny bit. If it climbs too high and stalls, bend those edges back down slightly. Small adjustments are all you need to fine-tune the flight. And that's it. You've just made a simple paper airplane that's easy to fold, fun to fly, and capable of impressive distance when built carefully. Practice your folds, experiment with your throws, and see how far you can make it fly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how far your airplane flew. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next paper airplane tutorial. Happy flying!